Hi guys, so today we are diving into a dish that's going to transport your taste buds straight to the sun-kissed coastline of South India. Forget everything you thought you knew about rice dish because we are going to elevate it to the whole new level. Get ready for a flavor explosion with our incredibly delicious and aromatic South Indian style crab rice. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience. We are talking about tender succulent crab infused with a symphony of traditional South Indian spices perfectly balanced with fluffy, fragrant rice. Whether you are a seafood lover or just looking for something truly unique and unforgettable, this recipe is for you. So grab your aprons and get ready to tantalize your taste buds. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 5 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves. Add some salt to taste. Then add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook the rice for about 70%. So the rice is cooked for about 70% now, as you can see. Then simply strain the rice. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add half tablespoon mustard seeds, 30 to 35 curry leaves, 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, and fry it for a minute. Then add 3 onions sliced and fry the onion until it is nice and brown. Make sure the onion is something like this. As you can see, the onion is nice and brown now. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala. Then fry the masalas for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 500 grams crab meat. I have used a teen crab. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let the crab nicely cook with the masalas. Then add 1 cup coconut milk and give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube. Add 1 tablespoon gram flour or besan flour just to thicken the gravy. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the gravy is slightly thick now. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the gravy is nice and thick now. Make sure it is something like this. Then add the cooked rice, which was about 70% cooked. and nicely spread it. Then add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves and cover it and cook it on a low flame for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. Then give it a nice mix. Cover it and cook it on a low flame for about 5 minutes. Then give it a final mix. As you can see that the rice is perfectly cooked. So the crab rice South Indian style is ready. There you have it guys, our incredible South Indian style crab rice. Look at that, isn't it just stunning? I promise you, one bite of this and you will be transported straight to the backwaters of Kerala. The aroma, the flavors, the perfectly cooked crab is just pure magic. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.